What's up guys, so a quick video today as the turbo has turned up for the RB build. So we're going to head down the garage, we'll unbox that, we'll bolt it onto the engine, see what it looks like. I'll update you on the RX-7, show you what's happening with that, because I've done a little bit of work but I've just not filmed it. And also we'll show you the cheeky little RB26 rocker covers that Liam's bought. Alright, so on the RX-7, I have been doing a little bit of work here and there, but it's mainly been after work, sort of half an hour, and I've not really had time to set up the camera and stuff like that. But the wings are fitted. This one I'm pretty happy with. This gap here will just get tidied up when they're actually bolted together. They're just on loose for now. This side probably needs a little bit more work because it sort of steps in there or out to the door. So I'm going to have to try and pull that out a little bit while keeping this gap nice and even. But it's only fiberglass, so it can get fettled anyway. So the spoiler that you'd seen in the last one that I got given because it was mangled, I've repaired that a little bit and fitted the base plates. And what we're going to do in the next video on the RX-7 is we're going to try and skin the blade in like a forged carbon look, because I don't trust it. Chances are it's probably just going to split again if it's already split in this one place. So that's enough for the RX-7 for now. You'll notice that the RB is now got blue rocker covers on, so let's check that out. Okay, so Liam's managed to get hold of a set of RB26 rocker covers for the sheer fact that they just look miles better than the RB25. Now we have got a front cover coming as well to match the 26 top, and we're going to have to modify it because it has this raised bit for the intake cam. Now a lot of you might say, why didn't you just get a 26 in the first place? But 26s fetch a lot more money, and also then would still have to get the 25 gearbox to be rear wheel drive. So what Liam probably paid for this whole setup, you know, engine covers, exhaust manifold, turbo, intake manifold, that is what you'd probably be paying for an RB26. So it just makes sense to go down this route for us. But yeah, let's open that box because I'm excited to see what's in it. Alright, so I've not opened this box yet. So Liam ordered it, so I don't even know if it's the right one. But apparently it is a Garrett GTX 3076R, the Gen 2. So we got a good deal on it. So Liam just went ahead and bought it. So this might be pretty tricky one-handed. Oh, my favourite packing. So it was from Turbo Performance Limited. Alright, I'm going to put you on the tripod and get rid of all that shite. Alright, here it is. So I think the only benefit of building someone else's car is opening all the new shiny bits while Liam's away. So let's have a look. Alright. So there it is. It's just that's the core and the compressor housing. And then I'm guessing the turbine housing is in here. So I'll put you on the tripod again and we'll unpackage them and take a closer look. Alright, so I just bolted the turbine housing on. Now this is a Gen 2 GTX 3076R, and it's the 82 or 0.82 turbine housing. Now, it looks pretty big here, but I think my mind has been warped by rotary turbos, because if we wang it next to mine, it looks like a little baby, but I'm sure it'll make decent power on the RB. We are only going for, well, Liam only wants sort of 400 for now anyway, which was going to be reasonable in that little tin can out there. But we can't leave it there. We have to see what it looks like on the engine. So I had the turbo manifold off to get these studs out. My mate Jack, who owns the 33 next door, he took them out for us because he did 4 on his engine, and it came out pretty easy. So yeah, we'll get the turbo manifold on. It's just sat down there, and we'll see if it clears these new RB26 rocker covers. Boom, check that out. Perfect fit. Give us a bit more space for when the RB goes into the Datsun, because it can be pretty tight on this side. But that looks good, even coming from me, who I'm normally a rotary guy. But that is going to look amazing when we start putting it in that bay. But plenty of work before then. Right, that's it for this one. Not much content because not had too much time to get down here and work on the cars. However, the turbo turned up today, so I just wanted to show you guys that, what it looked like on the engine. And definitely got me motivated to start tearing the Datsun apart. Now that's going to be happening in the next couple of weeks because I believe the engine's sold for the second time at least. So we may be pulling that out soon. But the next video will be on the RX-7, when we'll be trying to save that carbon blade, or the blade with carbon. We'll be forged carbon skinning that. So subscribe, hit the like button, that helps massively, and thanks for watching.